Good morning, my dear, sweet, beautiful, brilliant students of Arkansas. Today we're going to investigate and explore the ways objects can move when they are pushed or pulled. What happens when you drop a tennis ball? Or when you push a door open? How can you make a scooter move? Today we're going to talk about how things move. For today's lesson, you will need a ball or something you can bounce safely. Remember to be careful during our investigation. What are some words that can describe how objects, things, or people move? Yeah, run or jump, skip, bend, roll, bounce, slide. Oh my gosh, you guys are brilliant. Those are all great words. Today we're going to talk about motion or how things move. Taking your bouncy object, hold it out like this, then just let it go. Did you put any force on the ball? You shouldn't have if you followed directions, but even though you didn't push or pull the ball, it still fell. That's because of gravity. Gravity is a force that attracts or pulls things together. When we drop something or jump, gravity forces us back to Earth. What are some other ways you can move the ball? You can push it, roll it, spin it, kick it. Speaking of kick it, kickball was my favorite game that I used to play when I was little, even though I could never run fast and I would always get tagged out. Anyway, let's hold the ball out like this. Now, drop it. Was the bounce higher on this second one? It sure was. That's because the ball had more energy. The higher an object is from the ground, the more energy it has. Okay, let's look at this ramp. Do you think that the ball will go further and faster if I just drop it from the top or if I push it from the top? Let's see. All right, now I'm gonna push it. Did it go faster when I dropped it or when I pushed it? Did it go further when I dropped it or when I pushed it? Why do you think that is? It's because the ball I pushed had more energy. My push gave the ball more energy, which caused it to go faster and further. So, as you go about your day, think about all the different ways you cause objects to move each and every day. Well, that's it for us today. Have an absolutely great day.